The transport vessel Icarus was struck by uncharted space debris in Sector 7. Hull integrity is compromised. Life support systems are rapidly failing. System booting. Emergency escape protocols engaged.
The airlock is sealed. The keypad is flashing red. I need a keycard.
He is fast asleep. If I stay quiet, I might not be noticed.
The light waits for the key.
It reminds me of the day before the dust settled.
Rain is hammering the windows. I need to find that key quickly.
The diamond is gone, Mr. Thorne. I swear I didn't take it.
Graves wrote the combination here. 452.
This place is a mess. Arthur was a messy man. This kettle is cold. I need to find oil for the lamp.
In the silence of space, justice is the last thing left.
Ares Prime. It smells like rust and ozone.
Alex returns home late at night. The intruder is inside. Time is running out.
This photo. We used to be happy. This is it. Got the light. It's moving to the hallway. It's open.
You are Alex. The night is yours. Start game, November 14th, 1998. The rain has been falling for hours. You are Alex. The manager claims a robbery, but he is hiding something. You have 60 minutes before he locks the doors.
This register is heavy. Maybe I can find something. I found the key inside. This photo looks like Mr. Henderson. He is hiding something in the shadow. He's waiting. These tires are muddy.
Get out. You shouldn't be here. Stay back.